Ladies and gentlemen, next up, making his way to the cage, Prashant Jha!
Oh! Well, Mr. John Cena has nothing to do with MMA as of now. But ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Prashant Jha, another flyweight contender. And tonight he's here. He'll be taking on another prospect who's been making a lot of rage in the circuit. Hailing from Manipur, his name is Jaco Laishram.
Yeah, Prashant Jha's got a tall task in front of him. Jaco is no joke. At the age of 18 and 19, the guy is almost a finished product. Very good striking, very good wrestling, a very opportunistic submission game. I think both guys have their work cut out for them.
Well, yes, you know, Jaco is one of those guys who can kick, box, sweep and submit. And Prashant is a grappler. We know he comes in from Chaitanya Gavli's gym, and tonight he'll be here showcasing his wrestling skills and mixing it up with striking.
Prashant Jha has the chance to do something incredible, and that's stop the hype train of Jaco Laishram.
Well, for sure, Jaco Laishram is a massive hype train, only 18 years of age, and he is one of the finest prospects in the country.
Jaco fighting out of Roshan Mainam's camp, one of the best Indian wrestlers I've seen in MMA. I've trained with the guy, I know his strengths, he's beaten the crap out of me, and I'm sure he's beaten the crap out of Jaco as well. This kid is for real. I saw him fight in Arunachal Pradesh, and he impressed me to no end.
Well, I'm sure he's here once again to impress all of us. This fight is definitely going to be a banger, and I'm sure it's not going to the judges. I think judges for the day, for the evening, they're having the best time of their life. None of the fights are going to the judges.
At all. I like the fact that he walked out to Darude Sandstorm. But yeah, all jokes aside, this kid is the real deal. At 18, 19 years old, he's pretty much a finished product. Most of his skills are already developed. He can wrestle. His striking is very good. It's his timing that what I'm most impressed by. And look, if he keeps going the way he's going, he will eventually end up in one of the larger promotions.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 56.3 kilograms, fighting out of Mumbai, Maharashtra. Give it up for Prashant Jha! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. His weight 56.9 kilograms, representing Manipur and fighting out of RMX, Jaco Laishram! Ladies and gentlemen, the man in charge of the sound of the bell, Ranjit.
Ref Ranjit with his first assignment of the night. And what a banger of a fight.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop the fight, if you want to touch ground, fight your opponent.
Prashant looks a little bit bigger than Jaco. A lot bigger actually. I don't know how he made the weight, but
Well, both these guys professionally made the weight.
yeah, professionals, absolute professionals. I'm really excited about this one, Rahul. This is the one fight that stood out from the whole entire card to me.
You know, as you said, Prashant Jha has an opportunity of a lifetime right now.
To really
he
stop
can
the hype
stop
train.
the hype train. And
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Jaco Laishram taking on Prashant Jha.
Jaco Laishram in the red corner, and he takes on Prashant Jha in the blue. Both these guys in the opposite stances. I like it, man. I like it. You know, when you have fighters with opposite stances, it's a different ball game altogether, because most of the fighters, you know, most of our fighters in the camp, they don't train specially against an opponent who's in the opposite stance.
No, and the chances for something devastating landing as well on opposing stances
For
is very,
sure.
very high. Talking about body kicks, inside low kicks, head kicks even, straight left. Both guys testing each other's range.
Wow!
I was talking
Well,
about that. Open
exactly.
range head kick. Open position head
And,
kick.
and it's pretty easy to land and to set these up, especially when your opponent is in a. Oh man, look at that beautiful
Look,
fundamental 1-2 by Jacko.
This kid is for real. Like, I really like his striking. He makes all the correct decisions. Doesn't rush things. As you can see, he's patient. He fights like someone who's wise beyond his years. Prashant Jha's got a tall task in front of him, but if there's anybody that could do it, it's someone like Prashant. Comes from a very good camp in Bombay as well. Trains with Chaitanya Gawali, another veteran. It's like now you're seeing, right? Like the veterans are signed to train their proteges now in MMA. Guys like Roshan, guys like Chaitanya,
Guys like Pawan Man.
Pawan Man. Like, giving guys like Jacko and Prashant the chance to shine. Another again open stance. Beautiful right hand by Jacko. Jacko looking to close the distance, and
Wow.
again another one.
Straight hitting the bullseye.
Yeah.
Whoa! Missed the spinning back kick.
Dude, this kid is an athlete, man. He's super athletic, tough. Prashant Jha now got the underhook on one side. He's looking to impose his size on Jacko. He's a lot bigger than Jacko. And he can actually use that to maybe press him up against the cage, right? Like, looking to take him down again. But if I know anything about Jacko, the guys he trains with there in Manipur are excellent wrestlers as well.
They're absolute assassins.
Yeah, Roshan Mehnam comes to mind. Here we see an actor, Mr. Huda, with the founder. Oh, beautiful knee to the body by Prashant Jha.
Another kick landed by Jacko.
Yeah, Jacko's
making
like
use of his
open
excellent
stance, yeah.
reach. I mean, I like his speed. Look at his speed. He's oh, look at that
It's the
kick.
timing, man. This kid is like got really good timing. And he always stays out of range for the return shot. He's looking to uncork that right hand, move towards his left, crack Prashant to the right. There. He's setting it up. He's really setting it up. And Prashant is not picking up on it.
Well,
He's been caught with that same punch 3-4 times now. It's just oh! He looks like he's beautiful right hand. Bang!
oh man, look at that timing. Look at that shot.
This kid is for real. Like,
I mean, the hype train is for real.
yeah. Oh, this kid is for real. Like, his corner giving him very tight instructions, and look at him. He's not going crazy for the finish. This is what I like about him. Mature, wise beyond his years. He realized, he's like, okay, I've got him down. I'm not going to rush for the finish. Prashant seems to have recovered. What Jacko needs to do right now is create distance and land more punches. And I think he could get him out of here in the first round if he's smart enough. Beautiful work by Jacko. Prashant still looks a little bit wobbled. Again with that right hand. Oh!
Look at that combination. Whoa! That's some slick boxing.
Beautiful work by Jacko. Stalking Prashant. Prashant looks a little bit slower. Another leg, body kick.
Whoa! Look at that.
Oh, nice work by Prashant though. Nice work by Prashant.
Oh,
Excellent
man.
escape.
What an escape. I mean, I like this kid.
Yeah,
First
dude.
time I'm watching him fight, and it's
hyper-
an absolute. Oh!
Oh, he's hyper athletic, just an ass beating, like as far as I'm concerned, right now. He's looking to reverse position. He's probably going to. He's going to end up in mount. Yep, and he ends up in mount. If not mount, in half guard.
I mean, he's got the dominant position anyhow.
Prashant has got his hands clasped together, but I still don't know if he's going to be able to take him down.
Less than 10 seconds to go.
Nope, still not able to take him down. Now he's finally managed to take him down. But hey, give it to Prashant, man. He's taken so much punishment. He's still in the fight.
He's still in the fight.
Yep.
Still in the fight.
Taken two nasty shots, dropped twice.
Let's look at the action replay.
It's that right hand. He's just not picking up on that right hand. Bang, that one. You see? He pumped up the double jab, closed the distance and let it go.
Oh man, look at that
Again, he
striking
cracks it.
exchange.
The issue is that Prashant is not picking up on that shot. He's not seeing it coming. And the thing is, Jekko's also throwing it in such a different rhythm. He throws it as a 1-2, as a 2-3. So a lot of different looks he's giving Prashant and landing these shots. What an impressive work from Jekko. I just hope he doesn't like burn himself out beating Prashant up, you know? Because Prashant's also tough. He's a bigger guy, right? He can afford to take those kinds of shots.
Chaitanya Gowli sharing words of wisdom before we enter round number 2.
Round 2, ladies and gentlemen. Round 2.
Jacko Lyshram looks so calm and composed.
I'm telling you, Rahul, this kid is like wise beyond his years, man. Even when you talk to him, he doesn't really speak much of Hindi or English, but when you get an interpreter and talk to him, he's very, very mature for his age.
Please cut the music.
Round number 2. Let's go.
I want to see if he's able to, if Prashant has picked up on that right hand or not. He's smart circling towards his right.
Whoa.
Away from
Throwing in a
Jekko's
big.
left, Jekko's right. Jekko's power hand. But you can see the size difference. Jekko is a lot smaller than Prashant. Prashant looks like one weight class bigger, you know?
It's like the David versus Goliath.
Yeah.
When it comes to size.
Jekko slowly closing the distance. These pitter-patter shots from
Oh,
again.
another
see,
right
I'm telling
hand.
you, like it's that right hand, yeah.
Oh,
Good work by Prashant though. Beautiful deep kick by Jekko. I must commend Prashant's recovering ability, like his ability to recover from damage. He's taken a lot of damage and he's still here looking for a way to win a fight. Talk about game fighters, you know what I mean? And he has the opportunity of a lifetime, like to basically steal all the hype away from Jekko.
well, looks a little bit difficult right now considering the round number 1. But here again, Prashant throws in a
Beautiful left hand, left straight, yeah. He's got, that's the thing, right, with opposing stances, it's the open hand positioning.
yeah.
He looks fresh.
But he needs to keep his guards up because
Yeah,
we
yeah.
know that Jacko Lyshram is going to target the chin.
That right hand is coming at some point. We just don't know when.
Whoa, look at that. Just happened. Just
Like,
happened.
what I think Jekko needs to do right now is use that double jab to set things up again. Double jab and then throw the right hand. That was working for him really well in round number 1.
And Jacko is playing really intelligent here. He's not taking the fight to the ground because he knows that Prashant is the bigger guy and he also
Yeah.
comes in from a grappling gym. Oh,
Beautiful
nice.
body kick.
Oh, and big right hands. Excellent combination.
You know
here.
what I'm seeing? You know what I'm really seeing? I'm seeing the size difference play a
Whoa!
huge factor. That was a
Man.
beautiful shot. Oh, nice
Overhand
elbow.
punch
Another
followed
one.
by elbows.
Spinning back kick.
Oh.
Head kick. I mean, dude. Jekko is styling on this kid, yeah?
Those elbows remind me of
Like
Muay Thai, man.
Like the size plays a huge factor, but like it's the skills of Jekko that you can clearly see. You know, his timing, his rhythm, it's all these little things that.
He's got everything in his toolbox.
Yeah, he's got everything in his toolbox. He just needs to tighten up his defense a little bit. That hook kick is nasty if it lands. Like, oh man.
Oh, big body shot.
Beautiful body shot.
Oh, man.
Done. He's done. He is done. Beautiful body shot stoppage by Jekko Lyshram.
Another finish for the evening. Referee Rajiv
Oh.
calls a finish. Whoa! Big somersault after a big finish.
You know what they always say? You can't get him out. He's not. Your opponent can take a lot of damage. What do? Target the body, and he did. The first shot he threw the body, Prashant was like, "I'm done." He couldn't take any more of it. Dude, I'm very, very impressed by
the
this kid.
hype train is for real.
The hype
Andrew.
train keeps
The-
rolling
the
on.
hype
Choo
train
choo.
is for real, man.
Choo choo. Let's take a look at this again. I want to see the finish here. I don't know if they've got the finish, but yes, you can see here just throwing a barrage
Superman
of strikes.
punches. and then a lot of elbows.
Bang!
Oh, that's
Beautiful.
the body shot.
Yeah.
That's the exact moment Prashant fell down.
Right to the spleen on the other side. Beautiful work. I mean, he wasn't going down with shots to the head, but one shot to the body and that was all it took, huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, referee called the stop of this fight in 2 minutes and 58